Well, Christmas is long gone, but if you haven't gotten rid of your tree yet, you're not the only one. In fact, Mainers in Hallowell specifically wait until today so they can all get together for a Christmas tree burning. More than a dozen trees just went up a little while ago on the waterfront in the city. We got to learn a little bit more about this tradition during the setup process today. Since around 3 in the afternoon, locals have been dropping off what looked more like dried out shrubs than Christmas trees. Well weathered by the holiday season, it costs $10 to include your tree in the burn. The money goes towards the Hallowell Firefighters Association. The firefighters at the event say just bringing Christmas trees out of the house avoids one more fire hazard for them to worry about. Organizers also emphasize the joy of community gathering that this Hallowell tradition brings.
We love to get together and be with each other, and this is a great opportunity to do it.
After Christmas time, usually people stop watering their trees, and it's a fire hazard. So it's important for us to try to find a way to kind of mitigate the fire risk.
In case you didn't see it in the video, there was also a decorative stick by the fire, which those attending the burn are invited to use to cast off all the bad of years gone by.